Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be fixing up this face a little bit because it needs some help. And I'm going to be starting off with my eyebrows because they still need a lot of prayer. And I can tell that ain't none of y'all pray for them because they are lacking majorly. Anyways, I am just going in with this angled brush from MAC. It's a really old brush. I don't even know where I got it from. Yeah. So I'm using my Anastasia brow stuff in the shade taupe, and I'm just gonna fill these suckers in and yeah, make them look somewhat decent, I guess. So now I'm just applying some little Avon cream to my eyes, and I'm taking this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind and using it pretty much as a primer. I'm covering up them blessed dark eyelids of mine, and now I'm going over it with an e.l.f. powder just to set that concealer. And today I'm going to be using my Pretty Vulgar palette that I got from my BoxyCharm monthly box. And yeah, I'm just going to start by doing my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using some of these neutral colors in here, some creams and browns and whatever. And I'm just going to create me a little eye look today. So I put one of them shades lightly in my crease, and now I'm just taking this little pointy brush from MAC and I am lining my bottom lash line, kind of like an eyeliner, with one of the darker shades. Ooh, I'm scary looking up close. Anyways, so basically I'm just going to go in with whatever shades I'm picking out of this palette, and I'm trying to apply it on the outer corner of my eye. If you know what I'm saying, I'm sure you can tell, girl. So I'm just applying that with my little brushes. I'm also switching up my brushes because I got like 5 different blending brushes, and I like to use all of them at once because I'm insane. And yeah, so I'm just going to spend the next 3 hours of my life blending out this eyeshadow. I'm kind of trying to make it look like a little cat eye shape at the end there. Sometimes I do it rounded off, but now I'm trying to make it look like a little V type thing. I'm sure you can see what I'm saying. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm also singing a Selena Gomez song. Okay, so now I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to shape that little part right there because I didn't mean to get the dark eyeshadow on there. I wanted that light there on the lid. So I had to take my little concealer and fix that. And now I'm just, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. Alrighty then. Now I'm going in with my Cella liquid liner, and I'm going to line my top lash line from the inner corner to the outer corner, and then I'm going to create a wing because I love creating wings on my eyes, girl. I'm hoping one day that these wings, they're going to get so big that I'm going to use them wings to fly away. We'll see about that, but yeah, so right now I'm just applying that liquid liner. Looks like I'm really packing it on. Pack it on, girl. Thicker and thicker. The thicker the better now. You know. So yeah. Anyways, just doing my little eyeliner there, as you can see. So now I'm going to be trying out these 2 new products I just got complimentary from Octoly and Lancome, okay? This is like a duo set. One of the mascaras is white. It's like a primer. You put it on before, and then the other one is a mascara that you put on after. So I literally just got these. This is my first time trying these products. I've always wanted to try these products, so I finally got the chance to. So let's get it started, girl. So the first thing I'm going to do is pack on this white stuff on my eyelashes because I'm feeling like the more the better. Let's just do it. Let's put as much white as you possibly can on your eyelashes. Prime those eyelashes and get them ready to look beautiful, girls. Okay, so overall impression, I really like that white primer. I've been digging white primers lately, so I like that one. It was pretty good. Now for this mascara, I felt like I had to put a lot on to make a difference, but it is new. So that's why you see me right there like pumping it to death because I'm trying to get some air in there. I'm trying to dry it out because I like my eyelashes long and thick and full of life. So fresh mascara never works really well for me. But you know what? I pumped it a little bit. I also left it sitting out to dry out. And after a few more coats, I think they turned out pretty good. Right now, I'm using an old mascara wand to just brush through them because they was getting kind of clumpy because I was packing it on. So, yeah. Overall, I pretty much like that mascara. I think it's going to get better in time, though. So, anyway, now I'm just going in with my foundation and loads of concealer. I don't even know why. I had to really skip through this and just cut out some of the scenes because I was making some really ugly faces. Now I put on too much blush. I'm going to have to blend that out. I'm always putting too much blush on, like I'm auditioning to be a clown or something. But I love my blush. I can't help it. Okay, so here's my eyelashes. You see them? You like them? I think they could look better, but we'll work on that. I'm going to dry that mascara out, and it's going to be thebomb.com. All right, now I'm going in with a little highlighter underneath my eyebrow. I'm also going in with some face highlighter. This is from Becca, and it's in the shade Opal. This color is gorgeous. Look at how shiny it makes my nose. All right, then. I'm almost done with this tutorial because I'm watching it right now as I'm talking. I'm literally almost finished, so I'm about to tell you goodbye. But before I go, now, let me put on some of this chapstick first because my lips was kind of crusty. Okay, they're better now, I think. Yeah, I think so. So here's the finished look. Do you like it or what? I hope you do. Give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. And here we go. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Oh yeah, right there, subscribe. Okay, I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye. Hugs and kisses.